Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to seafoam a lawnmower. Like if it's not running right or something, you can do this. So, sorry about the noise, there might be a little bit of traffic out today. But, first you take off, you grab your big screwdriver, if you have this kind of lawnmower. You take off your air filter here. Kind of unscrew that a little. And you can undo that all the way. Take that all off. It's a fairly new filter. Just put it on a couple weeks ago. So you want it to look like that. So and then this might be a little bit loud, but I'm going to start it up. And we're going to pour the seafoam into the carburetor. So I'm going to put my little jig thing there. Yeah, there you go. I'm not sure why that was zoomed in so much. But you just, first of all, I'm going to put it on low. It says a high and low setting on this mower. So and start it up. I should have got this ready before I did this. It's probably going to be a little bit loud. Not sure if you're really going to be able to hear it. So what you do first is you just open up your bottle of Seafoam here. This, like that. Cap off. It's hard to do with two hands, or one hand, but so what you're going to do is you're going to, see, I've already did this. I'm not going to do the full thing because it's going to take forever, but first you start it. When you start it, pour some of that into the carburetor, like not a lot to where it chokes out the engine, but just enough, and it's going to do white smoke, and that's okay. It's supposed to do that. So you just pour that into the carburetor when it started. Do that about 3 or 4 times, and then pour in enough to where it floods the engine. And then what you do after that is you let it sit for about half an hour. Then you start it up, and then wait till all the white smoke clears out. And then there you go, there's your seafoamed thing. I'll do this about 3 or 4 times, and then I'm not gonna let it set because I've already done this and I don't want like a super long video. So I'll start it up again. Maybe. Or maybe not. I don't know. Just give me a second. Okay, this is not wanting to start. Alright, so it doesn't want to start. And high. Maybe it'll start now. There you go. Now seafoamed your lawnmower, and like I said, you gotta let it wait for like a half an hour, but I'm not gonna do that. So there you go. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.